Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a PDF using Canva. This is a really useful skill because PDFs are one of the easiest file formats to share, download, print, email, or upload online without worrying too much about the design moving around. If you've designed something in Canva and need a clean, shareable PDF, this walkthrough will take you from finished design to downloadable file in just a few clicks. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you can follow along without pausing. Whether you're creating a resume, business flyer, presentation, worksheet, menu, portfolio, or social media proposal, the process is almost the same. Start by opening your project in Canva. This could be a presentation, a one-page flyer, a multi-page document, or any layout you've been working on. Before exporting, take a quick moment to review your design. Zoom in to check that text is readable and aligned, images are crisp, and nothing important is too close to the edge. This is especially important if your PDF will be printed, because anything too close to the border may get cut off or look unbalanced. If your project has multiple pages, scan through them to confirm consistency in fonts, colors, and spacing. Catching small mistakes now will save you from re-exporting later. For example, check that your headings are the same size, your page numbers are in the right order, and your brand colors or design style stay consistent from one page to the next. Once your design looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This opens a panel with options for collaboration and output. In that panel, select Download. You'll see a settings window that controls exactly how your file is exported, including the file type, page selection, and sometimes extra options depending on your design. In the File Type menu, change the format to PDF. Canva typically offers PDF Standard for smaller file sizes and PDF Print for higher quality output. If you're sending the file by email or posting online, PDF Standard usually works great because it keeps the file lighter and easier to share. If you plan to print, especially in high resolution, PDF Print is the safer choice because it gives you better image quality and cleaner results. Either way, you're still just choosing PDF as your format, and the export process remains the same. If your project has multiple pages, you'll see a Pages section. By default, Canva will export all pages, which is perfect for full presentations and documents. If you only need a specific page or range, you can adjust that here. But if you need everything, just leave it set to all. This is helpful when you want to download only one page from a larger presentation or create separate PDF files for different sections. When you're ready, click the Download button. Canva will process your design and save the PDF to your device, typically in your default Downloads folder. Give it a moment if your file is large or has many pages, especially if it includes high-quality images, graphics, or multiple design elements. After it finishes, open the PDF to confirm everything looks correct. Check that the images are clear, the text is sharp, and the page order is right. If you see anything that needs a tweak, simply return to your Canva design, make the adjustment, and repeat the same steps. Share, download, set the file type to PDF, and download again. It is always better to review the final PDF before sending it to a client, uploading it, or printing it. That's all there is to it. Design your project in Canva, click Share, choose Download, switch the file type to PDF, and download your final file. You're ready to share, print, or publish with confidence. Once you know these steps, you can use Canva to create professional PDFs for school, business, marketing, client work, or personal projects anytime. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.